Hello everyone, I'm teacher Nadine and welcome to my science class in grade 4. Today we are going to learn about weather. But before that, let me show you the intended learning outcomes that you are going to learn in this learning session. Number 1. Identify safety precautions during sunny days, rainy days, and windy days. Number 2. Give examples of things and activities that can be done in different weather conditions. Number 3. Demonstrate safety measures during different weather conditions. In our daily lives, we experience different kinds of weather, right? Yes. So now, listen to this song about weather. If you know the song, you can sing along with it.
On a sunny day I'm happy. On a sunny day I smile. Flowers bloom in the sunlight. We play outside and we go and look for butterflies. On a rainy day I'm happy. On a rainy day I smile. Hills and trees look fresh and green, and I see rainbow-colored umbrellas in the streets. On a windy day I'm happy. On a windy day I smile. All the leaves shake and fly, and my kite is flying high in the sky.
So how do you feel about the song? What does the song try to tell you? Yes, you are right. The song tells you about weather. Children, what is weather?
The term weather refers to the temporary conditions of the atmosphere, the layer of air that surrounds the earth. We usually think of weather in terms of the state of the atmosphere in our own part of the world. Weather can also be dangerous. Although most of the weather we experience in our daily lives is not particularly dangerous, even light weather has its risks. One of the most important things to do is to check the weather forecast for us to be aware of the activities we should do all throughout the day.
Now, look at these pictures. First, what does this picture show? Yes, correct. This picture shows sunny day in the beach. Oh, you surely do love swimming, right? But before you swim, what should you do to protect your skin from the sunlight? Yes, you need this. It's a sunblock that helps you protect your skin from too much exposure of sunlight. What kind of clothes are you going to wear in this kind of weather? Excellent! You should wear thin clothes like this, and this. What else should you need to do during sunny days? Do you see this? Yes, you can just stay indoors to avoid too much exposure from the heat of the sun. Now let's move on to the next picture. What does this picture show? Brilliant! This picture shows windy days. Are you going to wear this kind of clothes? No. How about this? Yes, you got it right. You should wear thick clothes during this kind of weather. What activities do you usually do during windy day? I know you like playing kites during this time. But what should you remember when playing kites during windy day? That's it. Avoid electrical wires in playing kites. Try to look at this picture. What should you do with these dried leaves during windy day? Should you burn them or not? Good job! You should not burn garbage during windy day or they will fire up, just like this. Very dangerous. Let us now have the next picture. What does this picture show? Yes, very good. This picture shows rainy day. Do you like rainy days? I like rainy days because it's cold. Help me choose thick clothes or thin clothes. Wow, children, you got it right. You should wear thick clothes during rainy days. Since you feel cold, what should you drink? Hot milk or soda? Yes, that's correct. Drink hot milk, or you may also take soup over cold drinks like soda. If you're doing laundry, of course, you should not hang clothes outside. Or how will they get dry? To summarize, take a look at this table.
Weather condition, sunny day. Safety precautions. Do not wear thick clothes. Do not expose yourself to too much heat. Weather condition, rainy day. Safety precautions. Do not hang the clothes outside. Do not wade in the dirty water. Weather condition, windy day. Safety precautions. Do not burn garbage. Avoid the electrical wires in playing kites.
I think you are now ready to answer these questions about safety precautions during different weather conditions. Prepare your pencil and your paper. Are you ready?
Directions. Mark check if the safety precautionary measures is appropriate to the given weather conditions and mark X if it is not. Let me check your answers now. Number 1. Do not burn dried leaves. Windy. Correct. You should not burn dried leaves during windy days. Number 2. Do not wear thin clothes. Rainy. If your answer is an X, then you are correct. During rainy days, you should wear thick clothes for you to feel warm. Number 3. Do not go for a walk under the trees. Windy. Correct. To avoid accident, prevent walking under the trees during windy days. Number 4. Do not expose yourself to too much heat of the sun. Correct. Do not expose yourself to too much heat of the sun, otherwise you get sunburn. Number 5. Do not hang clothes outside. Sunny. If your answer is an X, then you are correct. You should definitely hang clothes outside during sunny days.
Now we're done. I hope you will apply what you learned in our lesson about safety precautions during different weather conditions. Goodbye, children. Until our next learning session. God bless.